Presenting a pre-owned 2004 Toyota Tacoma V6. This two-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 3.4-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This Toyota has less than 197,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in good overall condition. Key features include off-road suspension package, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, power steering, front air conditioning, CD player, cruise control, keyless entry, power door locks, and power windows. Come in and test drive today. All vehicles are professionally inspected by our knowledgeable service department. We offer no worries financing with our Buy Here Pay Here finance program. Grand Junction Affordable Auto Sales. 970-242-0788. Reliable vehicles, affordable prices.